Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I wanted to hop on real quick and just have a little project share, things I've been working on. I've been not really in my craft room, kind of avoiding it because there was a mess. I didn't clean it, but I did a little. I have space, I can breathe, so yeah, so then I was able to craft some things. So let me just share real quickly. I made these cupcake liner rosettes. They're very roughly made, but I knew I was going to just use them for layering pieces and they didn't need to be perfect. I had some of these bunny die cuts in my stash. I believe, yeah, I got them from a card kit, but I don't remember like whose or what card kit. But so I had a whole bunch of these that I just wanted to layer up on the rosette. And let me share some of the ones I did decorate. I did add some yarn bows to these two cuties. And then I did get this bow from my stash. I know I received that from a crafty friend. And then I just received this bow from a crafty friend. And so I need to be using the stuff I am gifted because it is a blessing. And yeah, I need to share the blessings. So those. And then I also just received these little bunny bows, and so they are perfect on these rosettes. And I'm probably going to use these rosettes maybe for bag toppers. I'm not sure. I might share them. I don't know, but like I have these blank ones that I can still decorate and embellish a little more. And so yeah, that's all I wanted to share. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. And you know, for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.